They've always said, "We are not alone." But what if they were right? A distant world, 120 light-years away, just whispered something back, and scientists are listening. K2-18b isn't just another exoplanet. It's a Hycean world, a type of planet that might have both a hydrogen-rich atmosphere and liquid water oceans. And where there's water, there could be life. Orbiting a cool red dwarf star in the constellation Leo, K2-18b is about 8.6 times the mass of Earth. It lies in its star's habitable zone, the region where temperatures could allow liquid water to exist. But here's what's made scientists pay attention. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, recently detected water vapor, methane, carbon dioxide, and possibly dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. That last one is different, because here on Earth, dimethyl sulfide is only known to be produced by living organisms, mainly marine plankton. Let that sink in. We may have found a gas linked exclusively to life on a planet 120 light-years away. JWST detected these chemicals using infrared spectroscopy, analyzing the way light passes through the planet's atmosphere during transit in front of its star. The resulting data showed strong evidence of carbon-bearing molecules and hints of something that looked a lot like DMS. That was unexpected. On Earth, DMS plays a key role in cloud formation and is a direct product of microbial life in the oceans. It's not something produced by volcanic activity or chemical reactions in the absence of life. So the big question is, what could possibly be creating it on K2-18b? Let's be clear. The detection of DMS is not confirmed. Even NASA scientists have emphasized caution. It could be a false positive, a misidentified signal, or a chemical that only looks like DMS in the data. JWST's sensitivity is incredible, but we're pushing it to its limits. Still, this is the strongest potential biosignature we've ever seen on an exoplanet, and that alone is historic. If DMS is truly present and it's biological in origin, then K2-18b may host a biosphere. Not intelligent aliens, not signals from space, but life, microbial, aquatic, alive. And if life can arise there, what does that say about the rest of the universe? Skeptics point out that K2-18b is far from Earth-like. Its atmosphere is likely thick and pressurized, and the planet's surface conditions are unknown. It may be too hot or too volatile for life as we know it. But some astrobiologists think life could exist in the planet's upper atmosphere, where temperatures and pressures are more stable. Floating microbial life, just like some of Earth's own extreme microorganisms that thrive in harsh, acidic clouds or deep-sea vents. This discovery is more than a scientific curiosity. It's a turning point. If JWST confirms DMS, and if it's from life, it will be the first direct evidence of extraterrestrial biology. It means Earth is not unique. It means the cosmos may be full of living worlds, and it raises unsettling questions. What if some of those worlds are older, more advanced, or already aware of us? What if life is not the exception, but the rule? NASA and the ESA are now planning further observations. More transits, more data, more analysis. They're scanning other exoplanets too, including TRAPPIST-1, LHS 1140b, and more Hycean candidates. Because the stakes are no longer theoretical. They're real. The universe may be trying to tell us something, not through radio waves, but through chemistry, through molecules that shouldn't exist, unless something is alive. K2-18b might not have green-skinned aliens, but it might have something far more important. Proof that life exists beyond Earth. And maybe that life is already looking back. This could change everything. Religion, science, philosophy, even politics. Because if life is common, then what else is out there? Civilizations, empires, beings that have already made the jump to the stars? And this isn't just about discovering life on other planets anymore. It's about our place in the cosmos. What if we're not alone? And if we aren't, how much are we willing to risk to find out? Subscribe to Forbidden Science, because the truth is out there, and this time, it came with data.